KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw magical unicorn step by step. Let's start by drawing. Let's first draw its wings. Then I am drawing its tail and its leg one by one. Fourth, third, second and the first one. Then I am drawing its neck and its cute face. Let's draw its wings. I am drawing its ears and its eyes and its face. Let's draw its back and its tail. I am drawing its neck here. You can draw with me. I love to draw unicorn very much. Let's draw the star and head. Let's complete the wings and the unicorn.
Subscribe us for more videos.
This is a magical unicorn with wings. Let's draw its hooves. Now it's time to color it. Let's color with me. Light pink color. Let's color its face and ear. Glitter time. Orange glitter. Let's color its hair with different colors. Golden glitter. Let's color another hair and its arm. Let's color in tail. Dark pink color. Let's color its hair again. It's looking so nice. Coloring in tail, pink color. Purple color. It's time to color purple color. Let's color in here, then its hoof. Sky blue glitter. Let's color again its hair and its cute tail. I love to watch pony and unicorn cartoon. Sea green color. Let's color in here again and its cute tail.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color in its wings. This is a magical wing. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share. The wings coloring is almost done.
Subscribe us for more videos.